Welcome back to Tools and Decor. Today we're exploring Proto tools engineered for the toughest jobs in industrial, aerospace, and heavy manufacturing. These aren't your average big-box store tools, they're built for professionals who demand reliability. The difference is clear the moment you pick one up: the weight, the finish, the precision. Proto tools are made to be used, abused, and passed down, true partners in your work. I've picked 10 essential Proto tools that stand out for their craftsmanship and design. Let's dive in. First up, let's take a closer look at the Proto J236T adjustable wrench, a tool that's earned its place at the top of my toolbox. This isn't just another adjustable wrench, it's a leap forward in quality and design, built for those who demand more from their tools. Forget the sloppy, wobbly wrenches you've used before. This one is solid and precise. The difference is obvious the moment you pick it up. Where cheaper wrenches flex and slip, the Proto stands firm, giving you total confidence with every turn. The adjustment screw is smooth with zero slop and the jaws stay put under pressure. You can dial in the exact fit you need, and it holds that setting, even when you're working on stubborn fasteners or in awkward positions. Tight manufacturing tolerances mean it grips like a fixed wrench, not a compromise. You get the versatility of an adjustable, but the performance of a dedicated tool. No more guessing or hoping it'll hold. The jaws are perfectly parallel and slightly tapered, making it easy to get into tight spaces where other wrenches just won't fit. They're also hardened to resist wear, so you won't see the jaws rounding off or losing their grip over time. I've put serious torque on this wrench. No spreading, no chipping. Even when tackling rusted, stubborn bolts, the Proto J236T holds up without complaint, refusing to let you down when it matters most. It grips fasteners securely, protecting both the tool and your hardware. The jaws bite down evenly, so you don't have to worry about slipping or damaging bolt heads, even on delicate or high-value parts. Cheap wrenches round bolts. The J236T respects your work. It's the difference between a job done right and a job you'll have to redo later. Your fasteners stay sharp, and your projects stay on track. This is a tool for a lifetime, not a year or two. Even after years of heavy use, it still feels as tight and reliable as the day you bought it. It's built to be passed down, not thrown away. It's precise, reliable, and changes how you think about adjustable wrenches. You'll find yourself reaching for it first, whether you're in the shop, on the job site, or working on a project at home. Once you use it, you'll never go back. It quickly becomes your go-to, making every other adjustable wrench feel like a compromise you're no longer willing to make. It's not just a wrench, it's a precision instrument. Every detail, from the engraved markings to the balanced feel in your hand, speaks to the craftsmanship behind it. If you take your work seriously, the Proto J236T is essential for any serious toolkit. It's the kind of tool you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Next up, let's talk about the Proto 90-tooth Ratchet, a tool that's truly a game-changer for anyone who works in tight, awkward spaces. Thanks to its 90-tooth gear design, you get an incredibly small 4-degree swing arc. That means you can turn fasteners even when you barely have room to move the handle. Perfect for those cramped engine bays or behind the dashboard repairs where every millimeter counts. Unlike older ratchets that force you to waste time with endless wiggling, the Proto makes every movement count. You'll notice the difference immediately. No more frustration, just smooth, efficient turning. The internal mechanism is engineered for silky smooth operation, with instant engagement and zero slop. Each click feels precise, and the sound is pure satisfaction for anyone who loves quality tools. The fully polished chrome finish not only looks great, but it also makes cleanup a breeze. Just wipe away grease and grime. The ergonomic handle is shaped to fit your hand comfortably, giving you serious torque without fatigue, even after a long day in the shop. Its low-profile head is designed to slip into the narrowest spaces, yet it feels absolutely indestructible in your hand. You can trust it to handle tough jobs without flexing or failing. Every feature is built for real-world frustration: high tooth count for tight spots, a quick release button for fast socket changes, and a robust build that stands up to daily abuse. Whether you're breaking loose a stubborn bolt or spinning on a fastener with minimal effort, this ratchet works with you, not against you. It's a tool that adapts to your needs, not the other way around. Using it in those impossible spaces actually becomes enjoyable. You'll find yourself smiling as you breeze through jobs that used to be a headache. Once you try the Proto 90-tooth Ratchet, You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. It quickly becomes the tool you reach for first, every single time. It's not just another ratchet, it's the one you'll rely on, the one you'll recommend, and the one you'll keep at the top of your toolbox. For any serious mechanic, the Proto 90-tooth ratchet is a must-have, an essential upgrade that makes every job smoother, faster, and a whole lot more satisfying. The Proto combination wrench set is the backbone of any toolkit, trusted by professionals and serious DIYers alike. Whether you're working in a busy auto shop or tackling repairs at home, these wrenches are designed to deliver reliable performance every time you reach for them. Their reputation for durability and precision makes them a must-have for anyone who values quality tools. The secret lies in their innovative anti-slip design, which directs force to the flats of the fastener, not the corners. This clever engineering prevents rounded bolts and stripped fasteners, saving you time, frustration, and money on replacements. Even on worn or rusted bolts, the Proto wrench bites down with confidence. You can apply more torque without damaging hardware. Confidence you can feel in every turn. The secure grip means you can tackle even the most stubborn bolts without worrying about slippage or injury, making tough jobs easier and safer. Each wrench is forged from a special alloy steel, then heat-treated for maximum strength and durability. The satin chrome finish not only looks sleek, but also provides a non-slip grip and outstanding corrosion resistance, so your tools stay in top shape even after years of hard use. The I-beam handle design is both strong and comfortable, reducing hand fatigue during long projects. Its ergonomic shape fits naturally in your palm, allowing for all-day use without discomfort. These wrenches are built for serious torque, no flex, no breakage, even under the most demanding conditions. When you need maximum leverage, Proto delivers unwavering strength. They're an investment that lasts a lifetime. Even after years of heavy use, Proto wrenches maintain their precision and reliability, standing the test of time in any environment. Buy it once, use it forever. Every time you finish a job, you'll appreciate the quality and craftsmanship that went into these tools. The difference is obvious the first time you break loose a stubborn bolt. The bolt comes out clean with no rounding or damage, proving the value of a well-designed tool. With a true buy-it-for-life warranty, Proto wrenches are more than just tools. They're a lifelong partner in every project, big or small. A great screwdriver set is essential, and Proto's is top tier. Precision machine tips fit perfectly, preventing cam-out and stripped screws. Magnetic tips make starting screws in tight spots a breeze. Hardened alloy steel shafts resist bending and twisting. Hex bolsters let you add a wrench for extra torque. Dual material handles are comfortable, grippy, and fatigue-reducing. The shape keeps them from rolling away. This set covers all sizes and types you'll need. They feel more like surgical instruments than tools. Once you use them, you'll never settle for less. Quality pliers are non-negotiable, and Proto's set delivers. Linesman's pliers grip, twist, and cut with power. Induction-hardened jaws never slip. Needle-nose pliers reach tight spots with precision and strength. Diagonal cutters slice through wire cleanly, with high-leveraged design. Hot riveted pivots ensure smooth, lasting action. Handles are dipped for comfort and grip, reducing hand strain. Each tool is purpose-built, but all share Proto's strength and precision. Not just pliers. A complete system for gripping, cutting, and manipulating. Confidence in every task, essential for any serious workbench. Impact tools demand special sockets, and Proto's deep impact set is built for abuse. Made from chromoly steel, they flex under impact instead of shattering. Black oxide finish resists corrosion and won't flake like chrome. Deep sockets reach recessed nuts and bolts with ease. Torque Plus design grips flats, not corners, for maximum torque and safety. Large laser-etched sizes are easy to read, even when greasy. Retaining pin and O-ring grooves keep sockets secure on your impact wrench. Every detail is about safety, longevity, and performance. These aren't just strong, they're smart. The only sockets you'll ever need for impact work. When a bolt is out of reach, Proto's universal joint kit saves the day. Pin and block design transmits torque smoothly around corners. No binding, no breaking. Tight tolerances mean fluid movement, even at sharp angles. Made from tough chromoly steel, many are impact rated. Use them with your impact wrench to reach impossible bolts. Keep the angle shallow for best results, but the flexibility is a lifesaver. Turns a 5-hour job into a 5-minute fix. Indispensable for any mechanic. Not a luxury, a necessity. The ultimate problem solver for awkward fasteners. Drop a bolt into the abyss? Proto's magnetic pickup tool is your hero. Powerful rare earth magnet grabs even heavy tools, not just screws. Telescoping stainless shaft extends deep into engine bays or tight spaces. Built-in LED light illuminates the darkest corners for easy retrieval. Smooth, telescoping action, pocket-sized convenience, saves hours of frustration and prevents unnecessary disassembly. Pays for itself the first time you use it. Every toolbox needs one, professional or hobbyist. It's your insurance policy against gravity. Never lose a fastener again. When you need brute force, reach for the Proto striking pry bar. Hardened steel cap lets you hammer it hard, no shattering handles. Forged, heat-treated steel flexes under load, then returns to shape. Tapered blade slips into tight seams. Bent end gives extra leverage. Composite handle offers grip and comfort, even under heavy force. Built for abuse, but designed for control and precision. Perfect for separating rusted parts or aligning heavy components. Essential for heavy repair work. Not just a pry bar, a tool of focused force. Every serious mechanic needs one. For shaping, cutting, and marking metal, Proto's punch and chisel set is unmatched. Includes center, pin, and taper punches, plus cold chisels for every job. Modified parabolic striking ends prevent mushrooming and chipping, safer and longer lasting. Precision ground hardened tips hold their edge and shape. Anti-slip grips, knurled or hex, keep tools steady, even with gloves. Each tool is purpose-built for accuracy and safety. No more damaged holes or flying metal fragments. The right tool for every striking task. Professional reliability, every time. The final word in precision striking. That's 10 Proto tools, each a testament to thoughtful design and lasting quality. These aren't disposable, they're built for decades of hard use. The right tool changes your work, removing frustration and boosting confidence. Proto's story is one of uncompromising standards for demanding users. Links to all the tools are in the description, check them out. Let me know your favorite Proto tool or which brand you want to see next. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more deep dives and see you next time.